everybody. Welcome to the North American Sea Glass Association Virtual Festival. We're happy that you can join us today. 11 o'clock, we are going to have Jason Sandy. Jason hails from London and he is a mudlark. The video is going to show his excursion with some of his friends along the foreshores of the River Thames. As he goes through the evening, you will see some amazing things that are just unbelievable. Only a few people in the world can actually mudlark along the Thames, and he is one of them. He'll also show you London's Illumination River, which is new this year. It's kind of a really cool thing to see. So we're happy to have you join us for that. That starts at 11 o'clock. As always, all of our members have all of their virtual booths on our website. If you go to seaglassassociation.org, you can find all the information, the festival schedule, the videos, and all of the virtual booths to visit all day long and all weekend long. Have a great day and have fun.